Hey everybody, welcome back to the Wolf Pit. French onion dip is pretty much a staple when you're entertaining, having a party, or watching the big game. It's also good when you're by yourself and not entertaining anyone, and you simply want to be a couch potato. At least that's what I've heard. Most people, myself included, opt for picking up a can or a jar of mass-produced French onion dip at the grocery store. Store-bought French onion dip is pretty good. But have you ever taken the time to read some of the ingredients? Well, unfortunately I did, and half of them I can't even pronounce. But I get it. Most of the ingredients are to keep the dip shelf stable and to make it last a long time. And if you don't buy the pre-made French onion dip, some people opt for the delicious Lipton onion soup mix and make their own French onion dip. But with the Lipton onion soup mix, sodium becomes a factor at 610 milligrams per tablespoon. Add that to the sodium from the chips you're dipping in it, and you're well on your way to a day's worth of sodium. So today, I'm going to show you how to avoid all the ingredients we can't pronounce, all of the extra sodium, while adding a fantastic layer of smoke flavor by making a homemade, super creamy, smoky French onion dip made with real onions. I have my Traeger Pro 780 pellet grill loaded up with applewood pellets, preheated to 325 degrees, along with a cast iron skillet. To the skillet, add a couple tablespoons of olive oil and a couple tablespoons of butter. Give it a good mix until the butter is melted. Now here we have 3 pounds of yellow onions that the beautiful Mrs. Wolfpit kindly diced up for me. I know, 3 pounds of onions sounds and looks like way too much, but stick with me here. Now you can thinly slice your onions if you like, but I thought dicing them up would work better for a dip. So once your butter and oil is preheated, add the onions to the skillet. And then spread them out into a nice even layer, and then season them with kosher salt. Followed by a few sprigs of thyme. Then give it all a good mix. Now just an FYI, these onions take a long time, but the time is well worth it, especially if you have some adult beverages on hand. Now close the lid and let the onions smoke and lightly saute and check them every 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the onions are starting to sweat. Give them another good mix. Then spread them back out into a nice even layer. And check on them in another 15 minutes. After another 15 minutes, for a total of 30 minutes, our onions are coming along nicely and starting to sweat. And here they are again after 45 minutes. And again at the 1 hour mark. At this point, they're starting to look and smell amazing, but they still have a little bit to go. And finally, after an hour and 15 minutes, our onions are ready. Look at how beautiful they are. And I couldn't even begin to describe the aroma. Now let's get them off the grill and into a bowl to cool. Once the onions have fully cooled, add 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayonnaise, and lots of fresh cracked black pepper. Then give it a really good mix. Give it a taste for seasoning and adjust if needed. Then do the hardest thing you'll ever have to do. Put it in the fridge overnight. You don't have to do that, but the flavor will be so much better if you do. The next day, serve it with your favorite chips, crackers, or vegetables. We opted for the extra crunchy kettle chips. The smoked French onion dip is everything the canned stuff is not. It's rich and creamy, sweet and smoky, and absolutely phenomenal. I believe I've become a French onion dip snob, and I'll never look at French onion dip out of a can, out of a jar, or out of an envelope the same. Thank you all very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with your family and friends. And I'll see you soon.